Today I want to talk about my best philosophy and ways to heal yourself. Our body is capable of healing itself if we do the right things in the right ways. Physically and mentally, we human beings require certain things to start and accelerate the healing process. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal itself. The body is designed perfectly by God for us to live a good, healthy, and happy life if we tend to take care of it properly. By doing so, we can assist the body and organs to work efficiently. However, acting in an unhealthy manner can have a significant negative impact on our well-being. For organs to function well, we must provide adequate nutrition along with good quality sleep. That's why we people need to eat and sleep to survive. Additionally, living a healthy lifestyle and having a fulfilling relationships are good for our health and vitality. To be in balance and harmony, the body, mind, and soul need certain elements. For our organs to function properly, we need to provide adequate nutrition and enough sleep. Sleeping and eating are therefore essential for human survival. Your health and vitality are also improved by leading a healthy lifestyle and engaging in satisfying relationships. The body, mind, and soul must meet certain requirements to be in balance and harmony. Eating a variety of foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants should be our top priority if we want to live a long, happy, and healthy life because they give the body and mind the necessary nutrients and healing properties. Once you give your body what it requires, it will begin to heal itself. Therefore, learning and understanding what you should do for your health, as well as becoming familiar with your own body through experience and living may help you maintain good health and accelerate the healing process. Long-lasting illness, symptoms, and undesirable conditions indicate that your body is not getting the proper love and care or sufficient amounts of healthy nutrients, lifestyle changes, and mentality. You can maintain your health and vitality by taking good care of your body and eating the right foods, getting enough sleep, exercising, and maintaining a positive outlook. Furthermore, by doing this, you may speed up the healing process and maintain the health, happiness, and peace of your body and mind.